There's a treatment out there that can change the way we look at cancer. SNN's Nicole Somavilla joins us live in the newsroom now with the details. Nicole.
Good evening, Grant. Well, doctors are calling this treatment a major breakthrough in the battle against cancer, and the way it works is actually pretty incredible. It's designed to treat each patient's unique tumor, and it's made its way here to the Suncoast. For Lisa Vince, it was a death sentence. Diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer in 2015.
I knew that getting the diagnosis that I had gotten was basically hopeless, that there was really nothing that could be done for me.
But Suncoast oncologist Steve Mamus is not a man who gives up. Rather, he offered hope using a new treatment called genomic proteomic spectrometry, otherwise known as GPS.
What this test tells us is that whether or not a patient will respond to a treatment before it's given.
Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong is the founder and CEO of NantWorks, home base for GPS. He says it's a personalized chemo cocktail.
We can measure what the proteins are in the tumor that is very specific to that patient's tumor.
The traditional chemotherapy for lung cancer did not fit what would work for me. I would have been dead.
But 1 year and 2 months after her GPS chemo began, Vince is cancer-free.
Dr. Mamus had felt that the lymph nodes went down. He said, I think we've got it. The GPS testing provided me a chance at life that I wouldn't have had otherwise.
GPS attacks cancer cells without the toxicity of normal chemo.
Prevents side effects and extra cost.
Even through her hardest days.
I was able to keep up with shopping, laundry, keeping the house clean.
For Dr. Soon-Shiong, he's set his sights on a cure for cancer.
Really where we're going is the development of a cancer vaccine. Really train your immune system to attack the cancer and really do away with high-dose chemotherapy.
And the treatment is made by taking tissue from DNA to create the exact recipe, if you will, to treat and cure the patient's cancer.
And Nicole, the doctor mentioned a cancer vaccine?
Yes, Grant. So there is a clinical trial for the 2017 to 2018 year working towards a cancer vaccine. Now, Dr. Soon-Shiong isn't exactly sure if or when we'll see one, but he is very hopeful.
I think a lot of other people are too. Nicole, thank you
so.
very much for that report.